Let's talk about it. Your boy's been a Christian quite a few years. Victory and faith, but I failed in my fears. I heard a lot of words that have tickled many ears. That's why I praise God. I can hear the word became flesh. Lived for 30 years. Got 33, but after days reappear. Jesus Christ anointed one ascended in the ear. Or you can say the air, the Father made him heir of all heaven. Don't know it's more than a chair, but after all redemption, yes he did take a chair. Greater than the angels and superior than theirs. This is Hebrews chapter 1, Mr. Taylor. I'm leaning to the right, the light is why I'm running. I thought I wanted light, took the fix out and running. But all I really wanted was the one I really wanted. Fuck that beat, but it's like for the public. I love you. Angels surround me, get stopped. This world like I'm from the planet Mars.
It looks like Johnny's got a grind.
Like a home run, Christ is King, Lion, Lamb, God, man, sin conqueror, great conqueror, Satan conquered. You take a sinner, keep the sinner to God conscious. You take nothing, creation and life, the same God that came to obedience to Jesus, limited to breathing, believe the same.
Took his shirt in and pulled his pants up and go out there and dance in his last. I pull it way up out here.
This guy just walked up.